YouTube just paid me. Like the platform sent me money. I need you to hear me when I say this. I am genuinely, unashamedly proud of every single penny, because this isn't just a payment. This is proof that the channel is working, that the content is connecting, and that what started as a bet on myself after I got let go from my tech job is actually paying off, literally. In this video, I'm gonna break down my first full month of YouTube monetization, the real number, how AdSense actually works, and what my views look like, and everything you need to do to get yourself in this position too. So stick around to the end, because that's when I'm gonna reveal exactly.
I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying.
Right, so before we get into the actual numbers, let me set the scene, because context is everything. I've been building this YouTube channel for around 6 months at this point, like one video a week, every single week without fail. And the whole premise of this channel is simple. I document what it actually takes to build or create a business while giving you the technical skills to do the same. But here's the thing. I've been on a mission to hit a specific milestone, a milestone that unlocks something most creators dream about when they start posting. And in February 2026, I hit it. I got accepted into the YouTube Partner Program, which meant from that point forward, every single view on every single video I've ever made was now earning money. So the question is, after a full month of monetization, what did YouTube actually pay me? Well, let's get into it. So let me take you back to where this all started. I started posting consistently in October 2025. One video a week, every week, no excuses. After a few videos, I figured out people were really enjoying the how to film yourself content. Angles, BTS, iPhone setups, the practical stuff for people who want to create content by themselves. And slowly it started working. As we rolled into January 2026, this year I had 600 subscribers. For me, it was great. And by mid-January, I hit 1,000, which was the first threshold. Then by mid-February, I finally passed 4,000 watch hours, which was the second threshold. That's the combination that gets you through the door. There were 3 main videos doing the heavy lifting for me at that time. How to film yourself with an iPhone, how to film yourself using 3 camera angles, and the gear I used to film my social media content. Those 3 videos basically carried my channel to monetization. And the reason they worked is they weren't really that random. I found a pattern that was working and doubled down on it. Now here's something I wish more people talked about. Hitting those thresholds is not the finish line, it's just the starting point. There are a few things you need to set up before a single penny can reach your bank account. So lock in, okay? Step 1, you need to apply by going into the Earn tab in the YouTube Studio. YouTube will then review your channel, and this can take a few weeks, so make sure you have no strikes. Step 2, AdSense. So set up a Google AdSense account, because this is the system that actually processes your payments. Step 3, verification. You'll need ID verification and a postal address for tax purposes. And if you're in the UK like me, you have to sort your tax within AdSense itself before they release a thing to you. Finally, step 4, the threshold. YouTube doesn't pay you immediately. You have to hit a £60 minimum first. And I think that's $100 in the US. I could be wrong. And here's the bit that catches people out, including me. YouTube pays you the previous month's earnings in the following month. So March's revenue doesn't land until April. You're always 1 month behind. But honestly, I genuinely can't wait for the first deposit to hit. Okay, so let's talk about how this actually works, because understanding this changes how you think about growth. There are 2 numbers that matter, your CPM and your RPM. Now, CPM is what the advertisers pay YouTube per 1,000 ad impressions. You don't control this, okay? It's driven by your niche and the time of year. And your RPM is the number that actually matters to you. This is what you earn per 1,000 views after YouTube takes their cut. And yes, YouTube takes 45% and you keep 55%. Now, your niche matters massively. Business and finance content tends to attract a significantly higher CPM than entertainment or gaming, for example. We're talking a difference of £12 to £40 for business versus £1 to £2 for gaming. That's a big gap. My niche sits somewhere in the middle of that, because right now I'm averaging around £9 to £10 on my CPM. This information is not to discourage you though. This is just so that you are aware. Don't start making videos about a niche you don't care about just because it gets a higher CPM rate. Don't do that. This is just so that you're aware of how it actually works behind the scenes. All right. The moment you've been waiting for. In March 2026, my first full monetized month on YouTube, my channel generated £196.70, which is around $260. And I want to say this clearly, okay? I'm proud of that number because this is month one. This is what the starting line looks like. And unlike a brand deal where I have to pitch, film, deliver, this money came from videos that I already made. It just kept earning while I was doing other things. Now for context, brand deals are where the significant income is for me right now. Because in that same month, I had deals with Adobe, Logitech, and Hicksfield. But AdSense is the income that compounds over time. As my channel grows, that number will grow with it, without me having to really do extra work. That's the power of it. So here's what I want you to actually take away from this video. If you're chasing monetization as your end goal, stop. Monetization isn't a business model, it's a signal. It tells you that your channel is working. It tells you that the content is connecting. Don't build your whole strategy around AdSense income. Build it around audience. Build it around trust. Build it around consistency. One video a week, every week. Show up, even when the growth feels slow. Because the compound effect of that consistency is what gets you to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. The number isn't the point, the proof is the point. YouTube paid me. This was month one and I'm just getting started. Look, if you're on a journey and you needed to see a real honest first month number, I hope this helped. Drop a comment below and let me know where you're at in your journey. And if you're not subscribed yet, you know what to do. And I've left a video right here. If you want to get started with filming yourself, check it out. And as always, I will see you. I said I will see you in the next one. Peace and love every single time. Denz.